Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where you can basically find your TikTok balance. It is actually so simple. Sorry about that. You're just going to go to your profile page. This is my profile page, and I'm going to select the three lines on the top right corner of my screen, which is this one. Then I'm just going to select balance, and here is where I can see the balance. I don't have any here because I don't really top of stuff, but you can also see live rewards. Again, I don't use this account that much, but that's where you can see it. You can also purchase your coins here, and you can see like some transactions. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.